Welcome to Brighton. These customer conferences are really about you. They're about interacting with our customers, and we really try to bring you together to be able to talk to each other.
When things go wrong, we always look at 15 below because they always have some sort of solution to the problem. You know what I mean?
People that work at 15 below have the same desire to get a good customer experience.
We, as 15 below and our partner companies, are really opening up to an interconnected platform with best-of-breed partners.
With this collaboration between 15 below and Amadeus, we managed to improve our communication with our customer, especially when we have flight disruptions.
They are very pragmatic, really into helping us in improving our products.
We say, we put this in now, this isn't going to be a one-size-fits-all forever, because as your business moves and adapts and changes, these things need to be changed as well.
We've been with 15 below 20 years. I've been there for the 21 years together. 15 below brought us into automation.
As humans, we also need technology to be effective, to empathise with the situation those passengers are in. Having the ability to understand exactly what's happened to them and the context behind it is really important.
My favorite thing about working with 15 below is definitely the people. They just really understand our business, and so that helps them come up with solutions that are tailored to us and our customers.
It's important to track that repeat business. Looking at lifetime value and how often people come back is really important.
Without 15 below, we will not be able to reach to our customer proactively and automatically. They're always there, they listen to our needs, and they help to solve our problem along the way.